5.7 metres long, 1.2 metres wide. Got it from Carpetright, 20 quid. It was in the remnants, and I thought, not bad. That I got that 0.2 of a metre. Now I've got it got about 4 metres more than I would have if I bought it off the roll. And I decided it's going to go down in the van. I think I've finished most of the sawdust work in here now, so no, got the Hoover, so it don't matter much. I'll put the runner back down in here. Well, I've just bought a new runner, so I'll put another new runner in. Yes. I got Carpetright. I might just put that one over the back door. He's an angled one. The others are carpet joiners. They're both carpet joiners. So yeah, that's a lipped one. So you know, he's wide enough. Yeah, he's wide enough to go across the back doors. Just to stop that blowing up, like it's blowing up now with the wind.
It is that colour or a real light one.
I'd rather have the darker one. As I said, I'm not bloody thirsty.
Okay? Yeah? Cool. Why?
You spill tea in my van, mind?
Why have you got these carpets like that?
Well, because it makes it warmer.
I'm attempting to make a steak pie.
They do come with health warning, don't they? When my daughter starts cooking, it's got to come with a free bog roll and...
Bugger off.
Who's that? Suddenly goes quiet when the camera comes out, doesn't it? Next weekend. Not this weekend, next weekend I'm off. Rain, shine, snow, wind. I'm off.
Why?
And I ain't taking them with me. I don't know whether you can see that. It's in there. Just wants screwing down then. Out. Find the cupboard on your head on the cupboard. It's in there. No, I haven't trimmed the edge of the carpet off there yet. Back you've seen. Right. Let's see if the solar can keep up today with the sun and having the Hoover going. I'm going to put them tools away. Right, catching them in. Yeah. Oh, look at that, another left circle. The size of the butt. Oh, I've gone all giddy now. A lot better now it's cleaned up. And it's sound deadening as well. Man, it sounds real different in here. There. Right, I'm going to start on the front, but I won't record that. I won't bore you anymore with that. I'll just give you the aftermath. Cheers for watching. I got it all down. Got a new rug throw in the middle there, but I thought I'd just get you in once I put that down. That's just a carpet trim, just to stop me kicking the carpet when I get in there. It ain't very pretty, but who gives a damn? Right. I don't look too bad. It's just enough to stop you kicking the carpet up as you get in. Right. I cut all the front. Cut it all up round in there to fit. I'm going to lift these, cut it just long enough to put underneath the edge of there. Same on the other side. Two of the offcuts I cut just to keep people's feet off it for now. There. I'll just enough to keep somewhere to put their dirty feet, and I'll walk around the other side. Around the pedals, around the corner, and again I left enough to be able to tuck underneath the corner there. That'll help to keep it quieter and warmer, I hope. Right, do I put the lipped one, or do I put the non-lipped one? I think it's going to be the non-lipped one. I'm going to cut that carpet back just a tad, and if I do that I might as well use the lipped one. It's a hockey stick shape, so it clamps the carpet down. Yep, I'm going to get the Stanley, cut 1/4 inch off that and screw it down at the back. The linked one. There you go. Now that'll sit straight on top of there. Just as well I don't peel up and trip over it. There's another one sorted. Take the edge off that. There you go. There you go. It's just enough to stop me kicking it. I'll put that there just to stop the draft. Because on the edge of the door, my draft excluder only comes down to there. And that's just enough to block that hole when the doors are shut. Just move that bit of carpet and I'll show you. See? Bits of carpet everywhere now. But I'm going to be cleaning that up for months. Right, cheers. Screwing down then. Out. On the cupboard on your head on the cupboard. Out, out. Oh, that's it. Fall over, why don't you?